We are almost at the end of the assignment, and here is question number 14 of your assignment. A grade 11 class on a field trip to Montreal had lunch in a restaurant. The bill came to $239.25. 4 students had birthday that day, and it was decided that these 4 students should not have to pay for lunch. The other students had to pay $1 more than if all the students had paid. How many students had lunch? Correct? So we'll follow our standard method, go with the last statement. Why do we read the last statement? Tell me, why do we read the last statement? How many students had lunch? To define our let variable, right? So let statement. Let number of students, okay, let number of students be, let's say n. So read the last statement. Normally what to find, that is the variable. Now read the question once again so that you can get the equation, correct? So what is given to us? It is given to us is that the total amount to be shared is $239. So the amount is given to us as $239.25. And also it is given to us that 4 students had birthday. So how many students did share? So number of students shared the amount was lesser by 4. So it was n minus 4, correct? Now since the amount was shared by lesser number of students, every student had to pay extra. How much extra? It was $1 extra. So that is how we understand this question, right? So which is higher? Higher is the number divided by lesser number, right? So we'll write that first. So 239.25 minus n, or divided by n minus 4. Take away 239.25 divided by n, and was higher by $1. That gives you the equation. I hope you understand this part, right? So whenever you get the question, try to relate it with the help of a variable. Variable comes from the last statement, what you need to find. You don't know. Since you don't know, say let that be x, y, z, the variable. Then you try to get the equation. Equation comes from the second last statement. The students had to pay $1 extra, $1 more, right? So that means there are 2 different conditions. If all paid, the cost was total amount by all numbers. Lesser paid, total amount by lesser number. Of course, lesser when they pay extra. And how much extra? $1 in this case gives you the equation. Solve it and get the answer. Don't forget to write down clear answer here. Number of students were, in this case, it should be 33. Check it out. Thank you and all the best.